everyone! Welcome back to our channel and pahinga muna tayo sa mga house tours because today we will be featuring the newest prime condominium in a prime location in Angeles City. Everyone, welcome to The Altitude. We are now at their showroom here in Balibago. We'll show you three model units. When you say model units, this is your inspiration for those who would like to invest in this investment or these properties. Ito po ang kanilang Studio A, which has a 20 square meters measurement. Mga nakikita niyo po are inspiration on how you want it to look like. This is their model unit. But when this unit is turned over sa owner, fully finished na siya. So when you say fully finished, lahat ng nakikita nyo dyan na sa mga walls, carpentry yan, kasama na sila. But the furnitures, hindi po sila kasama. But they can give you recommendations para if you like the inspiration of this unit, pwede nyo naman siyang ma-duplicate or pwede nyo naman siyang maging inspiration. This unit muna, sige, pakita muna natin. Very straightforward. This is for your bed. Pero itong bed natin, guys, this is queen size. So, very spacious siya. There. You have your workstation here. Or if you want, yan. Tignan mo naman siya, gamer, pa mga gamer. But this can also be for your workstation. You have your dining here. And then ito, your cabinet. Ito, gustong-gusto ko yung sa bathroom niya. Kasi you have an option. If gusto mo na separate yung shower area mo. You have your sink here to your toilet. Ayan. Kapag kasi tinurn over to, di ba, i-coordinate nila sa inyo how do you want it to look like. So if meron kayong mga request, like if they want pag-outsource ng mga vendors or ng mga suppliers na gusto nyo nakasara to pareho, pwedeng-pwede naman. You can coordinate with them. Yun naman po ang maganda dito because yung location po natin, hindi lang siya maganda, but also marami po tayong mga vendors or mga suppliers for your property. Look at the laundry. This is nice. Your sink. And, lipat na tayo. And this one is Studio D. Welcome to Studio D. I'll show you your bathroom. Guys, yung bathroom natin, ganyan na siya kapag nalipat sa inyo. So, very nice. Here, you have your kitchen, your sink. And look at your living area. Again, kapag na-transfer po ito sa inyo, fully finished, but of course, the furnitures, nasa inyo pang option. If you want this inspiration, you just let them know. Very nice ang ating mga furniture. Ang luwang pa ng iyong dining area. And this unit, this is a 35 square meter unit. Meron siyang 1 bedroom. This is a queen size bed. Napakaluwang pa niya. Hindi masikip here. You have this side, which is your vanity area. Or this can also be your workstation. Ito, carpentry, I know kasama to. Again, this is Studio D, 35 square meters. Lipat naman tayo sa Studio C. Let's go. Welcome to Studio C. Of course, here, you have your sink. And may mga drawers tayo dyan. So nice. Itong mga to, kasama na yan. But the appliances, not yet. But look at that. Perfect na perfect siya for your washing machine. You have a sliding door here. And this goes to your bathroom. The bathroom, ganyan yun na po yan. Mati-turn over sa inyo. You have your living area. This is your bedside or your bedroom. Ay, this is king size. So imagine, ganyan siya kalaki. Maluwang pa dito. 30 square meters po itong unit na ito. You have your cabinets. Study area. This can also be your vanity area, your workstation then. And of course, ito ang iyong dining area. Dito daw sa ating bedroom, they mentioned that if you want na magkaroon ng partition dito, pwede yung i-request. So, once kasi that you ask or you inquired about this property or this investment, meron naman kayong negotiation on things that you want. Pwede naman natin yung i-negotiate sa ating company, and then they will give you or they will outsource or give you suppliers para po maibigay ang gusto nyo para sa inyong property. To learn more about this property, of course, you can contact us. We're Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Catch us on our Facebook page, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Instagram, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Follow us on TikTok for sure. Nakita niyo ng mga reels natin. BP Pampanga. Follow me on TikTok din. And Alalu, and on Instagram because you can book your showings, guys. Open na po ang ating mga showings, kaya pwede na po kayo magpa-book ng inyong schedule to know more about this investment because this is a prime condominium in a prime location here in Balibago, and yung mga establishments na nakapalibot sa property na ito. That's why it is in a prime location. By the way, we already have our website. You can check our website. That's www.blueprintpropertiespampanga.com. And if you like this video, please give us a like. And don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is Rosana, and we're Blueprint Properties Pampanga, where your house speaks.